Hi, my name's Stevie Vegas. This is a tutorial for how to start a Diabolo and do some basic throws and catches. First off, you probably want your Diabolo string to be about the length of your outstretched arm off the ground and just touching the ground. That seems to be the ideal string length. And the first and most important thing with starting up the Diabolo is that you don't roll it in two directions. A lot of people start by rolling it one way and then the other along the ground, but that's not going to get it started. You need to get it spinning really fast in just one direction. If you're right-handed, then it's right to left along the ground. Pick it up immediately, then hit up and down with your right hand, doing all the hard work. I'm left-handed, so I'm going to do it the other way. Left along the ground, left to right, and then your left hand keeps it going. Left hand doing all the hitting here because I'm left-handed. Right hand just holding the stick. If the Diabolo starts to tilt away from you, then it means that your dominant hand needs to come back a bit and line up with the other, just to correct it. And likewise, if it starts leaning towards you, it means your dominant hand needs to push forward just a little. It just means that the sticks aren't the same distance away from your body as each other. Okay, you got the Diabolo going really fast, which gives you enough time to do other tricks. You could put the hand sticks together, pass them around your body, and continue. You could step over the Diabolo and then keep it going to one side. The tilting problem might occur at this point, so make sure that your hand sticks are still lined up. Okay, quick bit of theory about catching a Diabolo on a thin piece of string. It's not as difficult as it might look. The reason that the Diabolo is cone-shaped, or like an egg timer, is because if you catch the Diabolo on the string, there, or just about there, then gravity will pull it down onto the axle in the middle. So you've got about that level of error you can make, not just on the very thin string. Okay, throws and catches. The most important thing is that you need to sight the Diabolo in the air by looking through your string. The string needs to be above head height and pulled tight. By spotting the Diabolo through the string, you'll know exactly where to stand to make the best catch. Then you just lower the sticks and bring them back to your starting position. To do the trampoline, you don't need to throw the Diabolo too high, and you just keep the string tight and push up every time the Diabolo lands.